Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a Jeep featured video by Hooke Road. We're gonna get some extra storage in the Jeep and I'm gonna show you how. All right y'all, what we got here is an extra storage rack that's gonna sit in the mid-level of the back of the Jeep. Let's open up the package and see how it gets installed. All right, let's see what we got inside here. Oh, sweet. We got a net, some storage rack, and the instructions. Alright guys, so this is going to be the storage net that goes on top of this rack. We got a parts box for the install, and this is the storage rack. Now this thing looks pretty beefy. It is not too heavy either, so if you're wondering if it's, you know, gonna weigh your Jeep down, I don't think so. Wow, that's pretty. Y'all, that's nice. That is nice. Check that out. Look at that thing. Beefy. Again, like I said, not too heavy, but solid looking. All right, y'all. Let's see what it's gonna take to get it in the Jeep. Guys, so it does come with a pretty good set of instructions. Very easy to follow. So we're just gonna go step one. We're gonna remove this panel, which we did. All it does is pop off with some clips, so you're just gonna pop that off there. All right guys, next you're just gonna secure it up with the provided bolts. All right, so you're gonna make sure that both of your sides are secure. All right guys, so for our next phase, we're going to be installing the rack. So the bolts are gonna come through here, and you're gonna use your 18mm wrench to hold the nut while you screw this in. So I'm gonna step back and I'm just gonna kind of let you guys watch what I'm doing here. All right guys, so if you're doing this yourself, I recommend holding the bottom up, put a screw in the front, put a screw in the back, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna secure those, and then we're gonna fix our other ones in just a second. All right, bear with me guys. So we're gonna put this one in here like this. It's gonna go through like that. Put that nut on the back. And we're gonna do the same to this side here. Oh, I'm sorry, not this side. We're good with this side. It'd be the same to that side right there. A little difficult if you're by yourself, but it's not too bad. Y'all can do it. Sweet. All right, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna grab the Milwaukee and we're gonna zip these tight. This is what we're gonna use to secure it. I've got a Milwaukee mid-torque. I'm gonna keep it on the lowest setting, and we're just gonna hold the rear bolt with this, and we're gonna zip all these in. Okay, just gonna put my end on this. We're just gonna give it a quick, nothing too crazy, right? That's probably good for now. We're gonna do the same on this other side. This Milwaukee does up to 600 foot-pounds, so don't over tighten these. It'll just cause some stress and heartache if you strip a bolt or anything like that. That's tight enough there. And we'll go through and manually check these as well, just so you know, we know that they're tight by hand as well. This is just to quickly zip them in. Oh no! Good. I'm gonna grab this one here. Nice. Okay. So what I'm gonna do here is I want to check them by hand, just to see that we're good and tight. Oh yeah, that's tight. That's like, that's only setting 1, 2. That's probably tighter than what we need it. Yeah, that's tight. Super tight. All right, let's go. Let's turn this around here. Let's do the same thing over here. Doesn't hurt to double check. Always double check. Okay, I didn't zip these as tight. That one was just a real quick hit. Oops. Just make sure. Yeah. All right. Those are solid. All right, y'all, check this out. So remember, this can hold up to 300 pounds. The whole package weighed about 40 pounds. Look at the final product. That is sweet. Comes with this net, super elastic. I mean, you could bunch this all the way up. Check that out, y'all. And we really needed this because we wanted to pack stuff here and pack stuff up here. Totally convenient. What a great looking product too. If you look here, it doesn't interfere with any of the seats or anything like that. Perfect looking. That's really, really cool. Y'all, wanted to give you a sneak peek from the back with these back seats down. Check it out. You got full access to your luggage rack that can hold 300 pounds. That's crazy. With a super simple install. Quick summary on your install. You're gonna pop that trim cap, put these bolts in, get this luggage rack over here, and you're gonna pop these bolts in. It's literally that simple. Well guys, that's all I got for you today. Another mod for the Jeep, sponsored by Hooke Road. Check these guys out. They got some sweet stuff for your Jeeps and for your rides. Can't wait to get this rack on the trail and save some space. And especially, let's see if we can maybe load it up. Maybe not quite 300 pounds. I don't think I have anything that's 300 pounds up here. But just the fact that it can hold 300 pounds is pretty awesome. So check these guys out. God bless. Thanks for watching.